Hello and welcome to this guided meditation about rebuilding self-confidence. So for this meditation, begin by locating a serene and peaceful place where you will not be disturbed. This could be a quiet room in your home, a comfortable spot in your garden, or simply a place where you feel safe and undisturbed. Make sure that you are comfortable, either seated on a cushion or a chair, or lying down on a yoga mat or a bed. And once you are ready, you can close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. So take a long deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, rejuvenating air. And as you exhale, consciously release any tension or stress that you are currently carrying. I want you to feel this tension leaving your body with your out-breath, like a dark cloud being blown away by a gentle wind. So you breathe in fresh air, and you exhale any tension or stress. You breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. The more you repeat this process, it will allow your body to relax more deeply with each exhalation. So you take a deep breath in and a slow exhale, releasing any tension or stress. So now, imagine yourself standing in a serene and safe place. So this place could be a tranquil beach with gentle waves lapping at the shore. It could be a forest teeming with lush greenery and a soft breeze rustling the leaves, or any other place that elicits a sense of calm and comfort within you. And once you have found this place, I invite you to feel the tranquility of this place seeping into you, washing away any remnants of stress and making you feel secure, at ease, and completely at peace. In the center of your chest, imagine a small glowing light. This light symbolizes your self-confidence. It might have dimmed recently, but it's still there, patiently waiting to shine brightly once more. So with each breath you take, picture this light growing stronger, its luminosity increasing, becoming brighter and more radiant. So how are you feeling with this light growing with each breath? So next, delve into your memory and unearth a moment when you felt truly confident and strong. So this could be a personal achievement, a challenge that you overcame, or a time when you felt exceptionally good about yourself. I invite you to hold on to that feeling, to relive it in your mind. Remember that today you are still that same person. You are capable, you are resilient, and nothing can take that away from you. So as you continue to focus on the glowing light, visualize it getting brighter and brighter, filling your entire being with its warm, comforting glow. And this light inside your chest and enveloping your body serves as a constant reminder of your worth. You are deserving of love and respect. You are valuable, and nothing that has happened can change that. So I invite you to repeat these affirmations after me. I am capable and resilient. I am deserving of love and respect. I am valuable. I am healing and growing stronger each day. I am moving forward with confidence. So now take a moment to acknowledge any pain or hurt that you might be feeling. So remember that it's natural to feel this way. You are human, and feeling pain is an integral part of the healing process. So whenever you feel pain inside your body or in your feelings, I invite you to visualize this glowing light soothing your pain, healing you from within, and rebuilding your self-confidence. Alright, so whenever you feel ready, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, clean air. And as you slowly exhale, gently open your eyes. And I invite you to bask in this feeling of renewed self-confidence and carry it with you as you navigate through your day. Remember, it's perfectly okay to take time for yourself, to acknowledge your hurt, and to heal at your own pace. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards regaining your self-confidence and moving forward in life. Alright, so I wish you a beautiful rest of the day. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.